Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunnat ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för det baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. Och det jag lägger all min tid och jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker åh vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaka i tid, göra om allt igen och förstå.
Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are. Yeah, welcome to another vlog. So this is gonna be my second vlog in a week. I know this usually doesn't happen, but I want to start creating more content. Yeah, I'm actually going through a training, and most of the time I'm either online doing my project work or I'm in a meeting. I have a lot of meetings. Some meetings will last 3 hours, you know, so it's been crazy. And coupled with the fact that I had Josh at home, so I used to like do his schoolwork with him, but thank God now school has resumed, so that has reduced the workload I have. But obviously I still do like an hour with him when he comes back from school, but that has really reduced and has given me like more time to myself. So yeah, and the fact that the internship as well, I'm actually now understanding the whole concept of it. Like I'm getting a hang of it, so it's not as overwhelming as it used to be. So for that, like I have more time, more relaxed to create more content. Anyway, so this is me just saying, yeah, I am going to be creating more content. You're going to be seeing more of me. You're going to be seeing more of me talking now. I have a lot of things I want to talk about, especially mom related. I am a mother myself. I'm sure I've said that 100 times on my channel, but if you're new, this is the first time you're watching my channel. Yeah, I'm a mother, so, and most of the content I create are really around my day-to-day life as a mother. And also I'm really open to ideas of what people want to see, obviously surrounding motherhood, surrounding hair, and surrounding food as well. Those are my things I am really into, so I'm talking about things like that. If there's any suggestion you have as to what you want to see on the channel, yes. And also I want to start talking about self-care as a mother, because I feel this is one thing we as mothers, we tend to neglect ourselves because we're just so busy taking care of everybody else. So I want us to like have time. I know it can be so difficult because sometimes there's just so much to do that I know it can be so difficult, especially when there's so much to do, so you tend to just remove yourself out of the equation and you just take care of everybody else and you forget yourself. But recently I am very intentional about taking care of myself, you know, like health wise, exercise, which brings me to another thing I want to talk about. So I have added on so much weight because I was just eating anything and everything, and I was eating at odd hours as well. So I've added on some pounds, which I'm trying to lose some weight. There's a diet I'm trying to start, which I might document and show on the channel. I'm not sure, it depends if the diet goes well. If I fail, I'm not gonna show you guys, but if I do well, if it works, then I'll probably show, because somebody else might benefit from it. Yeah, so I'm trying to lose some weight. Another project is my skin. As you can see, I've been suffering from severe acne, but I am thinking most of the problem I have with my skin is my fault, because there are things that I was told I shouldn't be eating. But yeah, you only live once. There's only food. Like, it's only acne I have. I didn't kill anybody, so I'm just thinking like I can't just stop myself. But now, on a serious note, I want to start taking that seriously, start omitting those foods that they have told me is not good for my skin. I think anything dairy isn't really my thing, and so I'm trying to stop that, which I think I mentioned briefly in my other video. So I'm trying to stop taking anything that has dairy product in it, dairy, poultry, but I can't stop eating eggs, so I'm still gonna be eating eggs. But meat I really don't care about, so I've actually started trying to stop eating meat, which is why recently I mostly cook with fish. You know, I'm trying to stop meat completely, so this includes not just red meat, white meat as well, chicken, turkey. I don't want to be eating that. I just want to be eating fish and see what happens, if my skin is gonna respond to that, or if I'm gonna see any changes. Honestly, when it comes to treatment, I have done a lot of treatment, but they're not working. So I'm just thinking it's something that I have to take care of internally. So what I eat inside, you know, what I consume, I think that's what it is. But there's a medication I'm taking which is helping, but the only thing is, yeah, the breakouts are reducing, but the spots are still there. Obviously that will take time to clear out, but I'm not really worried about that. The moment I stop breaking out, I know eventually the spot will clear out. So the main target is to kill whatever is causing the acne right from inside. Anyway, that's enough rambling about that. So yeah, you're going to be seeing a lot of me here. We're going to be talking about self-love as mothers, because honestly we neglect ourselves and that has to stop, you know. So we're going to be talking about that. We're going to be talking about exercise, because I'm going to be doing a lot of that. Obviously nothing serious, because I absolutely hate exercise. So it could just be walking. I want to start skipping, because skipping obviously is a very good form of exercise and I think it's fun. When we were younger we used to skip for fun, so I'm just wondering why we can't do that now as adults. So I'm gonna be skipping more. I do some home exercises which you will be seeing in some of my videos. That's what you're going to be seeing on the channel. And what else? Yeah, so more of yeah, you're going to be seeing me more compared to before.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1.
So I'm trying to make some seafood okra, just using catfish, some prawns. I've got some prawns here, and some mushroom as well. It's just going to be easy, oilless okra soup. So here I've just got my blended tatase and onions and some scotch bonnet, and then I've got my blended okra here. So yeah, let's make some okra soup.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. Life is so bittersweet, let me put your mind at ease. Trust me, I'll take the lead, cause I wanna ride with you. Just give in to the fire, cause I'ma take you higher. You're my only desire, yeah. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. If you come with me tonight. If you come with me tonight. Feel the rising heat, feel the moving beat. I know what you need, singing oh na na, oh na na. Dancing in the sun, dancing all night long. Won't you come with me, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. If you come with me tonight, I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. If you come with me, come with me.
Grandpa. What my pig? Yes. And then we can have. Mustafa. I don't know Mustafa. Mama, you need toys. I don't want that. It's sour. Now it's time to give me the other toys. Naughty bad day. Ow! Daddy, can you comfort me? This is a bad day. Yes. This keeps me comforted. It keeps me comforted. I want to get out. No, you're not. You can't get out, right? Oh, a little bit more. Oh, you finished. Look amazing. Now I can sleep in my own bed. And I watch for me. I want to sleep in my bed. No, that's your bed for the day. Tomorrow.
Joshua, behave yourself. Come and tidy up these toys. Remove Sarah from in there, please.
I put a yacht inside. I put a yacht inside.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights, don't kid around.